Back yet again for our third and final box today of the 07-08 SP Authentic Hockey. If you've seen the first two videos that we put up, we have had some atrocious luck on getting good autograph cards. I did pull some autograph cards for my set, such as the Future Watch cards and stuff, but as far as big money maker type cards, nada. So Sabrina is here to bust the last box. Let's see what she gets.
And I will not wait. I will open 6 packs right away.
Okay, awesome.
There you go. Little Marty. Is he eating that?
I don't think so.
I hope not. I like the
No.
Future Watch on the bottom. Oh, 2 things. We have an autographed Future Watch from Nielsen.
Okay.
And a regular Future Watch of Craig Weller.
Okay.
That was a 2-for-1 special there.
Outstanding.
Alexander Frolov, limited number 2 of 100.
Okay.
Eric Johnson, sign of the times.
All right.
That's pretty good.
Not terrible. Could have gone for a Eric Johnson Future Watch, but
Well, beggars can't be choosers.
beggars can't be choosers. That's correct.
I mean, if you don't want it, I'll give it to the dog. He'll chew on it. Oh, wait, it's not a Jeremy Roenick card. Hey! Speaking of, we have a 6 pack here. The last one I pulled a Jeremy Roenick dual auto catch or something crazy. Yay, filler. Oh, I fail. And another thick one.
Zach, leave it.
Uh-oh. Future Watch patch, Matt Smamby?
Matt Smaby?
Maybe? Maybe.
Maybe a bad card. No. Actually, that's a gorgeous patch, yeah.
Patch.
Numbered 56 of 100.
I've never heard of the dude.
It's a lightning.
Sorry for all you Matt Smaby fans out there.
Yeah. Smaby will apologize. Maybe not.
Maybe we'll sell it. And another thick one. Which I'm thinking is a filler. And I thought right. Poor Zach Johnson. Maybe. Sorry. Hollow FX, Michael Ryder.
All right.
That's 3 autos, so that's probably autos.
Probably.
Unless I have a hot box. Maybe.
Ah, the never-ending bad humor train.
Yes, SP Notables, Roberto Luongo. making, yours are falling apart.
Maybe it's the strength of the person opening the packs.
Maybe. SP Notables, Shane Known. Are you known here?
I don't condone your course of action.
SP Notables,
Mikey Mo.
Oh, wait, no. I was like, another tick one. Oh, two. Hollow FX, Patrick Marlowe.
Yay.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. Not a lot of good stuff, but a lot of stuff. Uh-oh. A redemption.
Uh-oh, hey!
Hey!
Zach, get out of there. Come here. Sorry.
SP Authentic Hockey, Auto SP Chirography Edition, limited to 75, Shane Known.
Wow. Outstanding.
Do you condone that?
Okay. Maybe I can donate it to eBay.
Make sure when you tag this on YouTube, you put bad humor.
Yes. Maybe I will. Does that complete the box? You're done? Alright, done with that. Alright. We'll post these up here pretty soon. Please forgive us. We were a little bit punch drunk. Hope you enjoyed the breaks. We'll see you again soon. Bye.